Hey there, Apple fans. What's tech? Today, we've got an urgent update that every iPhone user needs to know about. Apple has just released a critical update, iOS 18.4.1. And trust me, you want to install this ASAP. So, why is this update so crucial? Well, Apple has identified two major vulnerabilities in their CoreAudio and Pointer Authentication systems. These issues are so serious that they're being actively exploited by hackers, allowing them to execute arbitrary code and access sensitive. The first issue involves CoreAudio. Apple themselves have described this as an extremely sophisticated attack, targeting specific individuals. It happens when you process an audio stream in a maliciously crafted media file. The second vulnerability is with the Return Pointer Authentication Code, or RPAC. Hackers were able to bypass security measures, gaining unauthorized read and write capabilities. This didn't just affect iPhones. iPads, Apple TVs, and even MacBooks were at risk. But don't worry, Apple has patched these vulnerabilities. So here's what you need to do. Grab your iPhone, and let's walk through the update process together. 1. First, go to Settings on your device. 2. Tap on General. 3. Next, hit Software Update. 4. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install iOS 18.4.1. Make sure you're connected to the internet and have enough battery life or are plugged in. And it's not just iPhones. Apple has rolled out updates for iPadOS, macOS Sequoia, tvOS, and visionOS. Make sure all your Apple devices are up to date to ensure maximum protection. In closing, tech keeps evolving, and while that's exciting, it also means that security is more important than ever. So, Apple fans, stay safe, stay updated, and we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon for more updates.